Send another.
They're both in the same place.
Yeah, but it's not gonna. I know. That's why I was gonna open it up and look inside there.
Alright, well let's play this game again. What's my try to like 0.2, 0.3?
Yeah.
Alright, so your dope looks much better. You're still off target to the right, but at least you're making it out that far now. It's not bobbing in front of it. So, left edge.
Here's our average.
Where did it break?
Gary, I'm on glass.
Dead center.
22,400. Come down like 1 or 2 clicks. I think we probably put a little too much in it, to be honest with you.
Okay.
Because you're impacting, looks like you're impacting the bottom of that. I want you to move to the head though. Shoot him in the head.
Guys, you are just
Let's see if we can tighten it up.
Alrighty.
On target? No.
It's gonna give the same problem.
Perfect. So
Yeah,
you're
hold on.
let it low, but your elevation,
Send third.
your wind is left to right. Perfect.
Zero, and it was just a little low. That would make sense.
You want to stay on gun?
Yeah.
Or get back on glass? I'll stay on gun. Great. Moving to 400 again. There's nothing
So then probably come up either a quarter or a half. But you gotta think, you're talking a half MO at 200 yards is 1 inch. You're putting 1 inch in the gun.
Yeah.
At 200 yards. It's like,
Oh, yeah, so that's going to be, a half would be 1.
Again, fourth from the left.
I mean, that gun's probably not even capable of discerning a half MO.
Yep, far right, like mid-body.
Elevation was good?
Elevation was great.
I got 3 more right here. We're going.
You can hold, like, probably 1/2 a target past the left side of the target.
Uh-huh. I'll hold that for wind.
Yep, send it.
Let's probably close the fucking boat there.
It didn't hit target, it hit right.